If you are looking for the Brita water filter bottle review, you've come to the right place. We attempted to include detailed information on the high-definition monocular telescope in our video, which should be sufficient to meet all of your requirements. All of them keep their features, prices, quality, durability, manufacturer's reputation, and genuine customer feedback. If you want to buy the Brita water filter bottle review, we believe this list will be very useful to you. All the products listed are in the description. Let's get started with the video now. Number 1. Brita water filter bottle. Best overall, this water bottle is the winner on our list because it can hold 32 ounces of water without losing its temperature. That being said, you can enjoy the water that tastes great and stays cold for the whole day. The credit goes to its double insulated stainless steel wall and a leak-proof lid. Its external body is made of BPA-free plastic, which makes it lightweight. It is also equipped with a powerful filter that pulls off chlorine and other impurities to make water potable. Plus, the removable filter has enough capacity to clean 40 gallons of water and can be replaced after that. Thus, there is no need to replace the entire bottle, which means you are Number 2. LifeStraw Go water filter bottle. Runner-up. Surprisingly, this water bottle can challenge any non-potable water because it filters water in 2 stages. First, the filter removes microplastics, harmful bacteria, and parasites. Then, it gets rid of chemicals, bad tastes, and nasty odors. The membrane microfilter has a lifespan of filtering up to 4,000 liters of water, while the activated carbon filter can last up to 100 liters of water without showing any signs of damage. You can quickly notice how a cloudy liquid turns into a clear and odorless one. Since it removes all chemicals and improves taste, you can safely sip purified water from an unknown source that doesn't make. Number 3. Epic Nalgene water bottle. Best filtration. If you want a super versatile kind of bottle that you can take along wherever you go, then this is the one. It is excellent for use in schools, offices, parks, and practically anywhere, thanks to its large 32-ounce capacity. This container is reinforced with an urban filter that can remove 70+ contaminants and make the dirtiest water tasty and safe to consume. Additionally, the filter is made of coconut shell-based carbon fiber, which makes it eco-friendly. This filter can safely remove common contaminants like lead, chlorine, and chromium, as well as even arsenic, to make sure you are drinking safe water. Since this bottle is made of BPA-free plastic as well, there is. Number 4. Servimate filtered water bottle. Best for travel. This water bottle serves as a portable filter that works great for outdoor water sources, as well as makes tap water taste better. It is reinforced with an advanced purification system that can remove 0.2 to 0.01 micron impurities, allowing you to drink perfectly clean water after 5 to 8 sips. Additionally, the bottle is constructed of food-grade Triton copolyester that is odorless and resistant to heat. It is safe, durable, and resistant to damage. What makes this water bottle even more exciting is its built-in compass that you can find on its top. Number 5. Grail Geopress water bottle. Also consider pick this beautiful bottle and make your outdoor activities more fun and less stressful, because its incredible filtration power transforms any spigot, hotel sink, murky river, lake, or well water into crystal clear and sweet water in seconds. It removes pathogens, chemicals, heavy metals, and more so that you get water with improved odor, taste, and clarity. It doesn't require setting up before use, and you also do not need to wait for the filtering to be done. The container has a capacity of 24 ounces, while the filter can purify up to 250 L of water. The bottle is also. That's all I've got for today. All of the product links are listed in the description below. Every day, we upload videos, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications about